Yeah, I know what you mean there, especially when they get them long numbers, it gets kind of confusing.
Yeah. All right, well, I put it on the flat side, man, and you just exploded my bars there, buddy. Anyway, thanks for the flowers, man. You're sounding good, bud. Check. Coming in strong to the 6th element, Joe Gun beam up on a big hill. Sound good, buddy. Thanks for the contact.
We'll be clear on your finals there, and I tell you what, really enjoyed talking to you there, and we'll get you again here after a while or tomorrow or whatever, but hey, anytime you hear me in there, give me a shout. I always return your call there, Roger.
Shoot, you're blasting me with a 7 to a 9.
Where are you trying to get with that antenna 99?
Sometimes a big antenna listens to those little bitty stations, but man, you're booming in, bud. Antron 99's killing it, 909 Texas.
You take care out there, man. Have a nice day out there. Hey, 254 Kid, Houston, Texas, will be on the side. Good hearing from you, man, and I'll talk to you again.
On there, sounds good, man. Hey, it's a conditions thing, and you definitely won the game on that. Did you say a 5 element?
Go ahead.
Okay, roger that. Yep, we're a little north of that, but you're sounding good, bud. I tell you what, you're sounding really good, bud.
Do what? Oh, okay. Well, your mobile was making it down.
Oh, yeah, roger that. Usually I'm talking on my old Courier Centurion 40 Delta, but well, I've got an old Royce 642, one of those flagship Royces. But right now I just had to drag out the ICOM and just kind of watch the waterfall water, Roger.
Yep.
Oh, hell yeah. I mean, I got about jump on a 3.5, but it's crystal clear.
The other side.
Hell yeah. No, yeah. Well, I tell you what, it's sounding good, man. Well, I got my soldering iron hot. I'm soldering a bunch of shit going on here, bud. Anyway, it's good to talk to you, man. It sounds good, man. Love to talk to you again, man. 909 Texas Radio saying hello.
Unit 83 Oklahoma standing by. Good. I guess that 347 don't have no good condition.
All right, so that's what we're listening to, and this is the antenna right here. This is a antenna we just built, so everybody can see what we're using for an antenna right here. This is what's called a magnetic loop antenna. It's about 25-inch diameter, and it's on my balcony at 45 feet. And that's what she looks like right there. Amazing little antenna for, it cost me about $50 total to build it, so not too bad though. Does a pretty good job there. 192, North Carolina.